Melinda Jean Stafford here, your neighborhood beekeeping education specialist with D&B Supply. Today I'm on the roof with the Boise State Student Union because I'm going to help the bee team place this queen into their hive, which is currently queenless. She's inside of this cage and we're going to put this inside the hive. Let me show you how to do that. So you'll notice that I've made a gap here between frame 3 and 4, and I'm going to place this queen that's in her cage right here in between these frames. There is a piece of candy that is holding her in that cage, and it will give the bees a few days to adjust to her pheromone. They'll eat through the candy and release her. Keep your bees buzzing, y'all.